Okay, here we have a Jamestown J2000 with the hopper extension, and the problem here was the cleaning rod going into the cleaning rake. It was just not pulling in and out. It was very hard to push in, and in a previous video I have shown the old rod, which using my Dremel I cut out. And the toughest part here was getting the rest of the rod out, because it stuck through the cleaning rake about an inch, and it was welded very well on both sides. So after cutting that piece off, I cut it as close as I could to the rake with my Dremel tool, and then using my plasma cutter, cut the rest of it out. That's the only way I could do it. I set the plasma cutter for 40 amps and very gingerly, like one arc at a time, cut mostly the weld around the rod, and finally the back of the rod came out. So as you can see, the new rod, which is a little bit larger in diameter, I had to drill a 21/64 hole to make that a little bit bigger, but it does move in and out much smoother than it did before. So that's the fix, and unless you have a good plasma cutter, I don't see any other good way to do it. This is a Pellet Stove Master. Have a good day.